Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to remove blemishes in Photoshop, helping you achieve flawless portraits and retouch your photos like a pro. So begin by opening your image in Photoshop. Choose a photo where you want to remove your blemishes. Now, once the image is open, zoom in on the areas you want to retouch. So let's zoom. Now, please select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar. This one. So to use the Spot Healing Brush, simply brush over the blemishes you want to remove. Photoshop will intelligently blend the surrounding pixels for a seamless result. So adjust your brush size. It is needed to target the specific areas. So for smaller blemishes or fine wrinkles, use a smaller brush. So this one is okay. Now it's time to remove the blemishes. Simply brush like that. See? Now let's remove this one. If Photoshop doesn't perfectly remove a blemish, you can use the clone stamp tool to manually sample and clone nearby pixels. Be sure to choose a soft brush for a natural look. And that's it! You now know how to effectively remove blemishes and wrinkles in Photoshop, helping your portraits and photos look their absolute best. Retouching is a powerful tool for enhancing your photos, but remember that natural beauty is something to be celebrated too. Use these techniques with care and respect for the subject. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to remove blemishes in Photoshop. See you on my next video.